Hello, Communication Studies 101 team. Congratulations on nearly completing your very first week in our class. As we prepare to wrap up this week, I'd like to share some friendly reminders for the final set of assignments. As you'll see on the right-hand side of the screen, we have several assignments due by the end of today. And they include the peer feedback for the student introductions, the scavenger hunt quiz, downloading the Pulse app, and practicing with GoReact. The practice with GoReact is not listed here, but it is one of the assignments under Module 0. So let's go ahead and get started with some of the reminders and tips to help you maximize your points with these assignments. As you prepare to wrap up the student introductions, I highly encourage you to take a look and see at the feedback you received from myself and your peers directly in the discussion board. Remember to reply to any questions or comments that your peers shared with you so that you can build a dialogue with your classmates and start building connections with them too. Next, remember to reply to at least 2 peers' initial post. To do so, you will go to the discussion tab, just like we're doing right now, and then you'll click on student introductions, just like you did when you shared your academic goals, your interest, and the fun fact about you. And then you'll scroll and select 2 peers that you want to reply to. So let's say, for instance, you wanted to reply to Hope, and you are in section 11. In that case, you would scroll here, then click on Reply to Thread, and then you'll enter your response here. After reading the assignment guidelines, you will see that each peer feedback must consist of at least 4 sentences in length. So please remember to meet this requirement to maximize your points for this assignment. Furthermore, if I shared any follow-up questions that state you must reply by the end of today, then please make sure that you do enter those responses in the peer replies. Some of us may have entered responses that consisted of 1 to 2 sentences in length, and as you can see in the expectations, our responses for questions 2 and 3, which are about your educational goals and hobbies and interests, should have been at least 4 sentences in length. If you need to revise your response to add more detail or to correct any spelling or grammar errors, you can make sure to do so by the end of today, and I will go ahead and grade your updated response. Next, let's go ahead and click on the Content tab. When we go to Module 0, you will see that other assignments consist of the Scavenger Hunt quiz and the Pulse app confirmation. Please make sure that you go ahead and download the Pulse app. Several of you have already done so, and if you have not, then go ahead and download it on your phone and take a screenshot. Once you have taken the screenshot of the Pulse app on your phone, go ahead and upload a snapshot or a picture of the app, and you'll receive credit for that part of the assignment. To access the Scavenger Hunt quiz, you must also access the course tour video. Some students said that they experienced difficulty accessing this quiz posted at the end of this page, so please make sure before you access the quiz, you take a look at the Getting Started tab, where you will see the course tour video listed right here under the course-specific information. Once you have watched the video, you will have access to the Scavenger Hunt quiz. Finally, even though the practice with GoReact is not listed on the due dates item under our course homepage, please remember to complete the practice video because it is worth 5 points for this week. I included a tutorial on how to access GoReact earlier this week, so all you have to do is visit our course homepage and select the announcement that says Week 1 Observations and Practice with GoReact tutorial. At the end of this announcement, I included a link called How to Use GoReact Video Tutorial, which teaches you how to use this tool. Remember, you do not have to create a separate GoReact account. Brightspace and GoReact are linked together, so by going to our content page, clicking on Module 0, you will have access directly to GoReact by clicking on the assignment GoReact Practice Video presentation. Once you are ready to start recording your speech, you'll simply click on the click here to submit or record your speech, and you're all set to complete your very first practice presentation. If you have any questions about these final set of week 1 assignments, please let me know. Otherwise, stay strong, team. You're doing great, and I look forward to reading your peer feedback this week.